Example 4.6. Consider a tightly wound 100-turn coil of radius 10 cm carrying a current of 1 ampere. What is the magnitude of magnetic field at the center of the coil? We will see what are the given values. A tightly wound coil. How many turns? Yes, 100 turns. Let us take N equal to 100 turns. Radius is 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 meter. Current is 1 ampere. We have to find the magnetic field at the center. Magnetic field due to a circular coil at the center is given by mu 0 I by 2R. Here it is not one turn, 100 turns. So you have to multiply by number of turns. That's all. B equal to mu 0 value 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Number of turns is 100. Current is 1 divided by 2 into R. Radius of the coil is 0.1. If you simplify, you are getting the answer 2 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla. What will be the direction of the magnetic field? But here, the direction of the current, whether it is flowing clockwise or anti-clockwise, it is not mentioned. Therefore, we can say only magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the coil. That is inward or outward. It depends upon the direction of the current. It is not mentioned. So only we can say magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the coil.